It's really a pleasure to be there today in front of you in order to celebrate our expertise. As mentioned before, you know our WCE and WCM is a cornerstone of our organization. You know that in a couple of days, we will be the biggest country in the world in terms of number of people in India. We can be proud of that.
Very important for you to see and to teach all our engineers of this know-how to lead the show global, worldwide for Alstom.
We have to be creative as experts, multidisciplinary technology champions. So what it means is that while we might have expertise in a particular area, we cannot be shy of other areas of technology, of engineering, of science.
Every man has ideas. It's all a question of giving them platform, which I was able to do right from the staff, right up to the officers. With officers, I did command that every officer must have one idea every month.